Yeah, make them work overtime, no pay. You can make them work overtime. There are like some items that are there, like where is the pet thing? So this item can forcefully restore the stamina of the pet. This one can make them work twice harder. So yeah, so it's just literally it's just the pet. You over there, right there. You put a trap behind it. So like whenever like the pet doesn't run, he dies basically. Or I don't know, whip them. Yeah, that's basically how it is. So you can technically force it. So if you ask me like how you're gonna how fast can you get legendary pet? That depends, cause you can force them if you want to. Now it is like ding dong roadmap react time, I guess, right here, and Scouter is already in front right now. Yeah, not happy about it, man. Not happy about it. I wish it's everything except Scouter, because I'm already stressed out right here. 3 hours into the stream, I'm already stressed out with this stupid question about Scouter. God damn it, man. Already Scouter is there. Yeah, at least it's Wicked, yeah. Wicked Scouter. But yeah, anyways, yeah. No good daily login reward. Yeah, August and September roadmap right here. August and September roadmap. So for sure it's gonna be Scouter. But anyways, okay. July Spells and Spade update released vast amount of content into Arcesia last week. Arcanist advanced class. Alright, this is like the last one. Who cares? We know players are excited to know what's arriving in Arcesia over the remaining summer months. In August and September, things will work a little differently. Rather than having a single major update for each month, we'll be splitting up the changes and updates and new content into 3 updates. Huh? A smaller content update in August, quality of life and back and tech update in early September, and a final major content update near the end of September. So basically, they like a lesson. So they're already slowing down at this point then. They're already slowing down. What is Scouter? I mean Machinist, bro. Machinist. So yeah, this one though, what's the name? So basically what they're doing right now is they're slowing down. They're not telling to, but they're not telling you, but they're already slowing down on the updates, because you guys are catching up super fast to us, right? They're already slowing down right now. So now you get like basically one major update. So there we have it right there. So yeah, Lee Live, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome. Or Lee Live actually. The content and updates found below are some of the highlights we know players are looking forward to. Similar to previous roadmap, isn't a comprehensive list of everything releasing in these updates. Yeah, this means that like if you don't see like some of it, it can still be there. So yeah, stay tuned to our website, social channel, and the release note for the full list of new content, store updates, event, bug fixes, and more. Alright, there we go. Can Scouter fly? That's the kind of question that what I was talking about right there. So yeah. And you get the pet ranch. Here we go. So August is when you get the pet ranch. The pet ranch right there. So yeah. Yeah, here comes Diablo as well right here. Look at this question right here. Tested entropy versus hallucination, Scouter, and max throw, and kinda close in damage. I wish it's anything outside of Scouter, man. I wish Reaper or like a Summoner comes out. God damn it, man. Every time. Slave farm. Pet slavery right here, yeah. Pet slavery. Pet slavery. But yeah, this is the pet ranch right here. So yeah, the perfect place to play, grow, and earn rewards with your pet. Okay, complete the Yay Pet Ranch quest after you unlock the farm. Recover pet moral, manage pet function, earn jelly cookies that can be exchanged for valuable rewards. So I can actually show this right now. So I'm sitting in my like pet ranch right now. So yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, you should be right here. So this is the pet ranch that you have right now. See the pet like walking around right now. You see Stoops right here as well. And there's Milk Casino obviously. But yeah, so it's pretty simple to be honest for this one. So what it does is, one sec, let me grab this real quick actually. So this is the patterns right here. This is the interface. It's pretty simple. You just click to be honest, You have like a pet that have stamina. You can tell them to work on the pet on this thing right here, and then they will basically like earn you like the jelly cookies, right? So you have the jelly cookies over there, and then, like once like their stamina is 0, you let them rest over here to regain some stamina, and you just do that basically. And then like using like the jelly cookie, you can buy like some stuff. There are some stuff that you can buy in like the jelly shop thing, and it's actually pretty good. This is where you get legendary pet, by the way, in case you're asking, right? This is where you get legendary pet. You can get like some avatar. You probably have seen this, but like probably like one of the most like people have been asking is this one. This hoodie right here is from the pet ranch. If you're looking for like the hoodie, it comes from this pet ranch. So yeah, and it is dyeable. You've seen me like wearing one of them like colored black and like white stripes, right? So yeah, and then you can also buy like some stuff, like card packs and everything for here, in case like you're wondering. But that's generally what it is. To be honest, the pet ranch is like nothing. It's just like an extra an extra thing that you can extra currency that you can use to buy some stuff. That's it. El Ciche, El Guapimo. Yeah, make them work overtime, no pay. You can make them work overtime. There are like some items that are there, like where is the pet thing? So this item can forcefully restore the stamina of the pet. This one can make them work twice harder. So yeah, so it's just literally, it's just the pet. You over there, right there, you put a trap behind it. So like whenever like the pet doesn't run, he dies basically, you know. Or I don't know, whip them. Yeah, that's basically how it is. So you can technically force it. So if you ask me like how you're gonna how fast can you get legendary pet, that depends. Cause you can force them if you want to. You can force them to like actually do like, you know, get like the thing. So yeah, prayers were answered. Yeah, my prayers were not though. My prayers were denied because I wish it was anything else but Scouter. So yeah, system also unlock additional inventory space for the spat on only one. So there is one. So you've seen me like there is one. This is like one of it right here. Cost 10,000 like of the jelly cookie right there. And you basically can open like one slot. The other slot there is no way to open it yet. Like the literally the description says there is no way to open this yet. But one of it is open through that. So yeah. Should try this in my gym, yeah. Can you do that with NPC? No, but you can do it with your mother though. So yeah. Tortured Milkachino. I tortured everyone else except Milkachino. But Milkachino is there. I don't know if it's gonna I don't know if it's like if like this pet, the Milkachino is gonna be up later by then. Guess we'll find out, right? So guess we'll find out right there. So yeah. Yeah, anyways, let's move on. Blooming Mokoko. Oh, you got like another one, Maharaka Festival. Which one is Blooming Mokoko? Yeah, I don't remember it actually. So yeah, but if they stop working, you will be standing behind them. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like the already sharpening my knife right now. Okay, let's see here. Ongoing Maharaka Festival will receive new activity in August. The leaves from Maharaka tree in Maharaka Paradise are known to bring good luck. Collect as many as you can during the Maharaka Festival, exchange them for mounts, animal skins, and more. Alright. So I don't know what this is, but this is probably just the usual thing right here. You do your dailies and everything, you get the leaves. We have it right now as well. Is this one? Where is the leaves? These leaves right here. Maharaka leaves. Same thing. So probably it's gonna be like that. So yeah. Julian Swag, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome. Yeah, moving on. Is the picking Mokoko shit? Basically, yeah. Oh, here comes September. So September is supposed to be the big one, right? That's a minor update in August right there. So yeah. Anyone explain why Scouter Ditch? Because some people like you are gonna play it, that's why. As we mentioned above, September will have 2 key updates. Okay, the first September update will include some key back-end technical updates, paving the way for the second September update. Okay, we also thought it would be a good time to interrogate some of the recent quality of life recently added in South Korea region. Oh, tripod. We'll have a full list, chain details in the update release note. Some of the key quality of life features that players can look forward include. Alright, here we go right now. 2 new hairstyle. Social update, global chat room. Announces Korea's Loa Talk. No one uses this, by the way. Chat improvements and guild group chat. No one uses this as well. This actually literally means nothing because there is a thing called Discord, you know. Improve cross-server interaction, including interacting with people from different servers in Stronghold, being able to add friends from different servers. This one is super nice. So we just got this like last month, I think. So yeah, it's on fire tonight. Yeah, I take no bullshit today, man. I'm just done, dude. You know, 3 hours into the stream, I'm just done. But yeah, this one is nice. So you can add friends cross-server right now. You still can't make like a party or stuff like that, though. You still have to make Party Finder for it, but you can at least see them when they're online, so you can start stalking people, you know. Let's see. Customization, 2 new hairstyle for each starting class. So 2 for female, 2 for male. I can't show it right now, but it's there, basically. Anyways, yeah. Combat. Trixion Training Ground update become a better practice. Ooh. Oh, this is really good. You know, Trixion is the man's best friend right now. This is how you test like your numbers. Except like for some people that are like kind of a pega and think that like, you know, my number in Trixion actually matters. But I mean like you can test like some stuff over here. So yeah, at the very least you get like the book for like the thing. It's exactly the same as Hell mode except like it's in Trixion now. So you can choose your card and everything. Gonna go full disrespect scouter with heavy armor. Yeah, you wanna know who else needs disrespect? You. So yeah. Yeah, anyways, a PvP class balance patch. Which one is this, yeah? I don't know like what patch of PvP do you have is the thing. So I don't know like which one is this. I guess we need details for this for later. But anyway, settings improvement, better PvP setting, improved guild system, and improved support and settings for controller. You have 1000 max stats, right? You know, you have like 750 Swift, 250 Dominate or something like that, right? Or do you still have 1250? I don't remember actually. You have it? Okay, okay. So I don't know which one this is then. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know which part of the PvP is this. Because I don't remember like which PvP patch like do you guys have. So yeah. Okay. Sounds like yeah, thank God. Thank God already. I don't know. I don't think like it will change that much because like BB is not really changed per se as well, even PvP. Where tripods? Tripods is not here actually. You're right. Yeah. I guess like you don't get tripod yet, or maybe they didn't like specify yet. Maybe you will get it anyway. I mean like the expectation is like around a few months, right? I think it could be here. You know, sneak in the end. It could be like later as well. Guess we'll find out. So yeah. Just friendly Bart. Just friendly Bart. Wait, what happened? What happened? What happened right there? So yeah, it will be really sad if tripods are not included later. Kinda, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, like I think like tripod quality of life is super nice, so you probably should have it. But at the same time, right? If you don't have it right here, means you can abuse it more. You know, some people that are recently 14, 15 and don't have gold and everything, they couldn't abuse it. If it comes out too early, they couldn't change it. So maybe it's better for like some people. Also your alt as well. Maybe you can get some tripod for like a scouter, I guess. Not that it needs it, but I guess. You know, it's something right there. Announce tripod update on the day before the patch, make everyone freak the fuck out. Yeah, I guess they can do that as well. But yeah. We just say when we get tripods, I don't want to waste money breaking stuff when I already have everything saved. What? You don't need to do anything though, basically for now. If you have everything saved, you just wait until it comes over. So yeah. Yeah, anyways, let's go. September part 2, disrespecting 80. Second update in September will be the major content update, including a new advanced class, legion raid, and events. Okay, this update also includes some server merges. Oh, finally server merging, dude, you know. After like half a year. I thought like in the first month they should have done that already. Continue monitor to which world could use a merge and provide comprehensive details in which server are merging and how the merge function leading to update. Worlds? What is this, Final Fantasy, dude? It's not world. Well, I don't know what they mean by world, you know. Is it like region or is it server? Probably server most likely, but yeah, I don't know what's going on right there. US, yeah. See, I don't know what they mean by world, you know. Server, not region. World server in New World. Okay, so based on New World, then it's gonna be server. Okay, got it. Okay, so it's server merging, guys. 10 out of 10. That's how you know, right? That's how you know. 15 people in US get to meet each other. Yeah, I don't know. If server merge, it wouldn't change anything. Server merge will not change anything. It will save some cost for like their server maintenance though. But I mean like that's basically what it is. It wouldn't change anything in terms of like, you know, if you're in EU West, something like that basically. So yeah, so I guess we will see on this one. But this is how it goes, I guess. So yeah. And then there is new advanced class. Regretfully, it's scouter. It's machinist. God damn it, man. Here we go. 2 months of like Papega questions coming around right here. God damn. Okay. Let's see. Been told by a friend that is an ITNG that region merge is very unlikely technically wise. I do think so as well. It's just really hard to actually do that, to be honest. I feel like a region merge is like a bit unrealistic. Regretfully. Regretfully. I don't know. I wish anything out but not scouter, you know. I wish anything but scouter. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. Okay, anyways, Machinist arrives in Arcasia, armed to the teeth with the highest tech machine guns, laser weapons, and drones found in Artathian, ready to blast, burn, and neutralize any threat with surgical precision. Standard weapons and drone strikes aren't enough to take down. Machines can activate their identity skill and suit up in cutting-edge technology with the Hypersync ability. At least the identity name is the same, because Hypersync is cool. Okay, not the stupid Barrage mode. What the hell is that, man? Barrage mode is changed compared to like in Korea. The name of like artillery's like identity is changed. So yeah, surgical search and grieving. Yeah, at least it's still Hypersync. The identity is still Hypersync. So yeah. Energy cores for the high-tech Hypersync suit can be charged by landing attacks, and once entered, Hypersync core energy will be expended by ability until the machinist runs out. Okay. Hypersync core energy will be expended by abilities until the machinist runs out. Not entirely true, but that's like we're talking semantics, whatever. The machinist will join Derai, Gunslinger, Artillerist, and Chapter as the 5th Gunner Advanced class. There we have it. And there is like machinist for you guys right there. Ziz, thank you for the tier 1 sub, man. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Time to plague this NA server with shit scouter builds. Well, time to spread out the shit scouter build, I guess. I don't know. Scouter is like really simplistic class, man. It's hard to build it wrong. But then again, Vicus and Vulcan Mechanic is super simple as well, and people manage to fuck it up anyway. So I guess I wouldn't be surprised, right? Expect people to fuck it up anyway. How's the non-transform one? It's stronger, but it's tripod gems just like any other class basically. So yeah, precise dagger scouter. Yeah. Dang, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome, dude. Welcome. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, maybe like we'll do like a quick like FAQ. Later on machinist, maybe like I don't know 10 minutes 20 minutes just to finish everything about it, and then like you know so that like I don't get like, you know, such a stupid basic question again. Hard to build one, don't underestimate any. Exactly, yeah. Oh, true. Mass increase scouter. Mass increase is gonna be bad for scouter, man. Mass increase is gonna be bad for scouter. No. Okay. For those of you thinking of running mass increase scouter, don't. You're stupid. Get out. Don't play scouter. You're a disgrace to my class. So yeah, that's it right there. End of the line. Okay. Oh, unless you're playing 80. If you're playing 80, it's okay for mass increase. If you're playing 80. Okay. Anyways, right there. Do one YouTube video, then ban the word scouter. Nah, I'm not gonna ban that because like some questions are legit. They are good question, and then there is some question that is just like, you know, stresses me out right there. You know. That makes me think that like are people really this Pega, dude? Yeah. Anyways, moving on. Kakul Seiden Legion raid. Let's go. Kakul Seiden Legion raid right now. Okay, Kakul Seiden enters the battlefield in the 3rd Legion raid. In this raid, you'll face the insanity of the Midnight Circus as you battle the members of the Mayhem Legion and Legion Commander Kakul Seiden. Okay. No revives are available. Be ready to fight for your life. Differing from Valkyrie Vicus, Kakul Seiden is a 4-player Legion raid right there. This is gonna cuck you because you will realize that like your friends is kind of a pega right there. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. This Legion raid has 3 gates, complete with 12 new unique characteristics, abilities, and mechanics. While players will need to be item level 375 to attempt the normal difficulty. The easier version of the raid, called Midnight Circus Rehearsal, can be entered by players at item level 1385 for players to practice the difficult mechanics and teamwork required to vanquish the Mayhem Legion. Spoiler, if you do this one first, you have no idea how to do the 1475. You have no idea. Spoilers right there. But yeah, Rehearsal and Clown always release together. Yesterday I talked to you guys about like the rehearsal details and everything. But yeah, so you guys check that out for the details for like Rehearsal later. Not practice then? No, not really practice now. It shares like entry as well, just like Volta normal and Vicus normal. So yeah, basically when people ask like there is no hard mode for Clown, technically there is. It's the Rehearsal one, 1385 high level. It's there for newer player as an entry Legion raid. So yeah, and then the hard one is technically the item level 1475. So that's the one right there. I'll be okay. I'm 1520. You'll be surprised, but yeah, we'll see later. Rehearsal, no, first time he was like, this isn't anywhere class. It's not close at all. Not close at all. Not even close. You can ask Sane as well. Sane tried to the normal. Sane was there on the first day doing the normal proc, right? I was watching Sane as well actually at the time. Then he went to like Rehearsal on his ult, I think. He finished it super fast. And then like so basically he got stuck on phase 3 for so long. I think like the whole day he got stuck on phase 3. Then he went to rehearsal, just kill it super fast. And then he got stuck again on phase 3 again. So yeah. Yeah, anyways. Okay, anyways, let's move on. This is like the Clown Legion raid, and a new event, new skin, and more. So this skin, we have it permanently in Korea. I don't know if you guys are gonna have this permanently, but we have this permanently with Blue Crystal in Korea in our cash shop. So yeah, this is the one that like this can be dyed, by the way, and like a lot of people dye this like a female, like what's the name, high school outfit, I guess, because people like high school stuff, obviously, right? So yeah. But yeah, anyways, right here, it is one right. There will be new event, new skin, and more in September. Excited to witness. Oh, that's it? Okay. Witness the high-tech battlefield prowess of the machinist in action. And witness the high-tech stupidity as well. Stay tuned to our website, social channels, and release notes for the full list of new Island Store updates, events, bug fixes, and more over the coming months. We'll see you in our case here. Alright, I guess that's the update right there. Binoculars. This avatar is really good. This one specifically. The male one, maybe this one, but generally what you see a lot is actually this one. This one, a lot of people still use it. Yes, you can dye it, yeah. How do you feel about Smilegate releasing the weak Scouter class in September? That class should be deleted. I agree, Slitzors, man. I think like it shouldn't be Scouter that release. It should be like a Scout, what's the name, Summoner or Reaper, man. So I don't get to deal with this, man. You know, go bother someone else. Join normally clear party after clearing rehearsal. Yeah. Okay, do you get the chewing gum? Chewing gum is a different thing. Chewing gum is not the same one. Wait, does it even have chewing gum over there? Maybe you will get the chewing gum. Chewing gum is like is a different like event for us. You might get it as well. Just want the round glasses. High-tech brains of NAEU to ruin my favorite class. God damn it, man. Not like this, dude. Number 1 spellcaster right there. Now you have to make guide for it too. I'll start working on it then, on the guide, I guess. So yeah, I was hoping it's not so I can chill for a bit more, but I guess not. I guess I'll start working on it then. God damn it, man. God damn it. Fuse 10 gem today, got damage, Scouter ready. I guess for Legacy is ready, yeah. Just name death. Yeah, I don't know. Is Kuku doable without 5x3? Yeah, just buy the bus, man. Pay for the bus, easy. So yeah. The Mage Assassin. So yeah. Okay, anyways, yeah, but this is like the Lost Ark, like August and September roadmap, I guess. So yeah, for details about Scouter, we'll probably do like, I don't know, like a few minutes of like FAQ, I guess, maybe for it. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see, I guess we'll see. That's like the current like Lost Ark, August and September roadmap right there. So for this one, what you can take is it's a really good update, pretty packed as well. But but they're already slowing down on the content. You can see that they're only doing on the September major update, not like every month anymore right now. They're already slowing down because you guys are catching up right now. At some point, you'll basically just like run in the same pace as like in Korea. So yeah. Alright, anyways, that's August and September roadmap, guys. That's the one. So yeah, you get Pet Ranch, Scouter, and what's the name? Kakul Seiden, I guess. That's it. That's the main thing. And some quality of life. Anyways, let's go back.